In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube lag on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, YouTube stores fragments of every video you watch, which can lead to UI stuttering over time. So what I want to go ahead and do is swipe down on the top right of my screen. It's going to show my control panel. Then on the top right again, click the settings wheel cog icon, scroll down, and I'm going to see apps as one of the options. Now over here, it's going to show me all my installed apps. I just want to go over to YouTube, click on it. First, I want to force stop on the bottom right, then scroll down and I'm going to see storage as one of the options. Once you go ahead and click on that on the bottom right, go ahead and click clear cache, and then that should definitely help. Then restart the app and see if that works. Now, what you could also do is open a video. So I'm going to go ahead and open up YouTube right now. And then once you go ahead and open up YouTube, just open up any video you want. So let's say I just open up this one right now. Then what you're going to do is go ahead and click the settings wheel cog icon, then tap more on the bottom. And if you see ambient mode, go ahead and turn that off. If you see stable volume, go ahead and turn that off as well. And this reduces the real-time audio processing load. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.